Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can find out cut length of chair bar. Okay, but before that let's look about what is chair bar. Chair are used in reinforcement because they hold the reinforcement in a position and they maintain the distance between top reinforcement and bottom reinforcement. Okay, let's take an example over here. Let's suppose we have a top reinforcement over here, bottom reinforcement over here in the foundation it could be. Okay, to hold the distance or to keep the distance we need to put the chair bar over here. Okay, so it will maintain the distance between top and the bottom reinforcement. You can see in this picture as well. Okay, so this is basically the chair bar, and we will see how we can find out cutting length for this chair bar. And we have different parts over here for the chair bar. First of all, at top, this is called as head. Okay, this is head of the chair where our top reinforcement will be laid. And we have these two sides. Okay, this side and this side. This is called as height of chair. Okay, and these two basically are leg of the chair. Okay, so these are parts. What we need to find out? We need to find out head, we need to find out height of chair, we need to find out leg of chair. For head, we will use what? The formula is 50 into dia of bar. Okay, so this will give us a head value. And next to it, for A, this will be considered, this head will be considered as B. Okay, these legs will be considered as A. So A will be equal to 2 into spacing plus 75. Okay, so spacing between two main bars. Okay, why? I'll let you know about this one. Plus 75 mm. It will give you what? The leg as well. And for height we will find out this D as well. Okay, no problem. So let's move forward. Let's suppose we have this cross section for the foundation where we have different details over here. We have a distribution bar over here. We are using 12 mm dia and 300 cm spacing, and main bar we are using 12 mm dia and 225 cm to center spacing. Okay, this is basically main bar and this is basically distribution bar. Okay, so this is the chair bar, and dia we are using over here is 12 mm for the chair bar as well. It is starting right from this position and it is going up till this position on the main bar at the bottom. Okay, so distribution bar again at the bottom is same and the main bar is also same. Okay, so these are some details. And 600 is the depth of this foundation or thickness of this foundation. So cut length of chair bar will be equal to 2 into A plus 2 into D. Okay, 2 into A mean we have two legs over here, so 2 into A plus 2 into D, we have two heights, this one and this one as well, 2 into D plus B. B is basically head of the chair, minus we need to do the bend directions. Okay, we have this bend, we have this bend to direct and this bend to direct. Okay, so for A, this is A. Okay, in order to find out this A, what we need to do is we need to go with this formula, 2 into spacing between main bars, because this is going to lay on our main bar at the bottom. Okay, so we need to go for the spacing of the main bar. Okay, 2 into spacing plus 75 mm. We need to add additional this value as well. Okay, now the B will be equal to 50 into dia of bar. Okay, and D will be equal to, this is very important to understand, D, footing height, that is 600, you can see over here, minus upper plus lower concrete cover. Okay, we need to deduct concrete cover at this end and this end as well from this total value, plus we need to deduct what? Upper main bar and distribution bar dia. Okay, from this total height, first of all we need to deduct what? Concrete cover from both ends. Then we need to deduct main bar and the distribution bar dia as well in order to reach up till this level. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to deduct at the bottom only the main bar dia, this one, because it is going up till this position, So this is basically the formula to find out the D. So let's put the values over here. A will be equal to 2 into 225. Okay, so A is 2 into spacing between main bars. Okay, so 2 into 225 is the spacing over here, you can see. Plus 75 will give us 525 mm. B will be equal to 50 into 12 mm dia of bar. Okay, it is 600, and D is equal to 600, the total depth, minus we need to deduct what? Concrete cover from both ends, that is 50 mm. Okay, and then we need to deduct dia of main and the distribution bar at the top, and then we need to deduct dia of main bar at the bottom, so it will give us the value of D as well. Now cut length is here at the bottom, okay, it is not visible, sorry for you, but when we will put the formula over here, okay, 2 into A, okay, 2 into A, so A we have find out 2 into the value of A we have find out 525 plus 2 into D, 2 into value of D is 464, so we will put here plus B, and B we have find out it over here as 600, minus we need to do the bend deductions, and for bend deductions we have 4 90 degree, this one 1 2 3 and 4 90 degree bend, so 4 into 2D for the 90 degree, okay, so it will give us a total value as 2482 millimeter. What 2482 millimeter mean 2.482 meter. So this is how we can find out what the cut length of chair bar. And hope you really understand the process. I'll see you in the next.